Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is known for his sharp financial acumen and straightforward approach to investing. As one of the richest men in the world, Buffett's advice for young people who want to be rich is highly sought after. Here are some of his key pieces of advice. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett's first piece of advice for young people who want to be rich is to invest in themselves. According to Buffett, investing in oneself is the best investment one can make, and it's crucial to long-term success. Investing in oneself means taking the time to learn new skills, gain knowledge, and expand one's horizons. Buffett himself is a great example of someone who has invested in himself. He's known to spend hours reading and studying, and he's gained a vast amount of knowledge over the years. Buffett believes that having a strong foundation of knowledge and expertise is crucial to long-term success in any field. One way to invest in oneself is to pursue education and training. This can involve taking courses, attending workshops, or pursuing a degree. Another way to invest in oneself is to gain practical experience through internships, volunteering, or apprenticeships. It's also important to stay up to date with industry trends and developments by reading industry publications, attending conferences, or networking with others in the field. Start early. The second piece of advice from Buffett is to start investing early. Buffett himself started investing at a young age, and he's been reaping the rewards ever since. Starting early allows investments to grow and compound over time, resulting in significant returns. One way to start investing early is to save money from an early age. Even small amounts of money saved can add up over time. It's also important to develop good financial habits, such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Starting early can also help develop discipline and patience, which are crucial traits for successful investing. Be patient. Buffett's third piece of advice is to be patient when it comes to investing. Buffett's investment strategy is based on holding on to stocks for years, even decades, rather than trying to make a quick profit. This approach requires patience and discipline, but it can lead to significant returns over time. Being patient means resisting the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. It means focusing on long-term investments that have the potential to grow and compound over time. It also means being willing to wait for the right opportunities to come along. Be frugal. Buffett is famously frugal, and his fourth piece of advice is to be frugal as well. He believes that living below one's means and avoiding unnecessary expenses is key to building wealth over time. By keeping expenses low, one can save more money to invest and grow their wealth. Being frugal means making conscious decisions about spending and avoiding impulse purchases. It means setting a budget and sticking to it, even if it means making sacrifices in the short term. It also means being mindful of one's spending habits and finding ways to reduce costs, such as cooking at home, using public transportation, or buying used items instead of new ones. Invest in what you know. Buffett's fifth piece of advice is to invest in what you know. He believes that it's easier to make smart investment decisions when you have a deep understanding of the companies and industries you're investing in. This means doing your research, keeping up with the news, and staying informed about the markets. Investing in what you know means investing in companies and industries that you understand and believe in. It means avoiding investments that are too complex or difficult to understand. It also means diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Learn from your mistakes. Buffett's sixth piece of advice is to learn from your mistakes. According to Buffett, everyone makes mistakes when it comes to investing, but the key is to learn from them. He advises young people to be honest with themselves about their mistakes and to use them as opportunities to learn and improve their investment strategy. Learning from mistakes means taking the time to reflect on past decisions and identify areas where improvements can be made. It means seeking out feedback and advice from others, such as financial advisors or mentors, and being open to new ideas and perspectives. It also means being willing to admit when you're wrong and make changes accordingly. Surround yourself with the right people. Finally, Buffett's seventh piece of advice is to surround yourself with the right people. According to Buffett, the people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your success. It's important to surround yourself with people who are supportive, knowledgeable, and share your values. Surrounding yourself with the right people means seeking out mentors, advisors, and peers who can offer guidance and support. It means finding people who are experts in their field and can provide valuable insights and advice. It also means being selective about who you choose to work with and avoiding people who may have a negative impact on your success. Thank you for tuning into this video on Warren Buffett's advice for young people who want to be rich. Investing in oneself, starting early, being patient, being frugal, investing in what you know, learning from your mistakes, and surrounding yourself with the right people are all key principles for building long-term wealth and achieving financial success. Remember to invest in yourself by pursuing education, training, and gaining practical experience. Start investing early and develop good financial habits such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Be patient and focus on long-term investments that have the potential to grow and compound over time. Live below your means and avoid unnecessary expenses to save more money to invest. Invest in what you know and diversify your portfolio to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Learn from your mistakes and seek feedback and advice from others. Surround yourself with supportive and knowledgeable people who share your values. By following these principles, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals and building long-term wealth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal finance and investing. Thank you for watching.